The world of jazz soloists really has a lot to teach us about the nature of collaboration, and so some of the greats like Miles Davis and Charlie Parker, if we look at how they excelled in their field, we can learn how to excel better in our field. This little article sort of lays out some of the key tenets to those lessons. Plus, there's a wonderful little mini playlist download that you can get to go with it as well. One of the most exciting online collaboration projects I've seen lately is called the Johnny Cash Project. There's a single song of his called Ain't No Grave that you get to choose which frame of the video you want to draw. They give you a frame, you get to draw it, and then you submit it, and it gets all put together in aggregate to create the video. It's an amazing example of what collaboration can create. Here is an adult-sized onesie. Be sure to watch the video. You didn't see the video and you still want it, even though you didn't see the video? Like,
I'm sold on the idea.
You're just sold on the idea. All right, he's sold. All right, so for those fans of Star Wars out there, here's a wonderful little illustrated alphabet from Akbar and Bosk and Chewbacca to Wedge, Yoda, and oh God, what's his last name? I don't remember the last one. But anyway, they're all there. they're all there. This wonderful little Star Wars alphabet. One of my favorite things about imagination is that it can start with a single premise and then imagine an entire world around it. And here's a great example. Here's a contest where entrants were asked to imagine the best way to survive a zombie outbreak. And so here is a zombie riverboat survivor compound.
These are the 5 things I've learned today.
All right, well, these are the 5 things that I learned today.
These are the 5 things I learned today.
These are the 5 things I learned today, and I'm Ryan Nance.